Hey y'all, this is Texan Reacts, and we're gonna be checking out Raining Sorrow RS. Um, she is performing Dysth3mia on the Wish Bus in the USA. Okay, it's Wish Bus US. Yeah, I know who Raining Sorrow is. I know she's Easy Mill's little sister, and I'll be honest, I have heard pretty much everything she's done. I have not seen this performance on the Wish Bus. Um, and I'm actually a really big fan of hers. I think that she could be a big star. I love her voice, and she's very, very talented for such a young age. So yeah, let's check out this performance of Dysth3mia live.
One, two, three, four.
Oh, I love the music to this song.
Wish 1075.
You are a warning sign telling me to not get close, but I never read the lights saying don't you overdose. 3 taps of sleeping melatonin pills don't work. Well, go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill order. I'm older. Tapping on this glass window, I'm breaking every single rule that I was supposed to follow. 3 silent voices break me out of my sanity. They know my sorrow.
Such a dark song.
1 step, 2 step, 3 step 4. I'm wondering what this store is for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out, I'm gonna curl. Voices are making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty.
I don't remember the original the music video having that little bit of scat going. That's interesting. That's interesting. She added that in, or I just never noticed it, I guess.
Time and illusion, my mind came up with too precise.
Wishclusive.
Inside this religion, my loved ones came up with to not die. The key was kicked inside the locked door. Now we can't go in there anymore. I'm here falling apart into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really want to die, but it's actually getting tiring to think of next morning.
Man, look at her face and the emotion that's on it when she's singing these words. She's really feeling this, and she wrote it herself. That's just she wrote it when she was even younger than this, obviously. So it seems a little dark, but she's just a really good artist.
But it's actually getting tiring to think of next morning. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step 4. I'm wondering what this door is for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out, I'm gonna hurl. Voices are making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty. You take everything we say and make it seem like we're two-faced, but all you're doing is making our thoughts a reality. I know that I'm not okay, but it's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of suicidal thoughts and cruel sides. 4 step, 3 step, 2 step 1. I'm waiting till the sun's. We can all just watch and learn as the world collapses in and burns.
On Wish.
Dissipating, all degrading thoughts while I'm disintegrating. No thoughts head empty is a way to die without feeling a thing.
1075.
She's relieved. She killed it. Just so you know, RS, you killed it. You should look relieved because that was great. That was wonderful. Really good performance of that song. Like I love the beat. I love the beat of that song, and I love that part where she kind of rapid fires those the rhymes. I just really love it. It's catchy. It's very catchy. Um, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So I have done, I have already heard on my own pretty much all of her stuff, but let me know if there's like some one-off kind of videos out there that you want me to react to. If there's something from her brother you want me to react to, I've never heard his stuff. Oddly enough, right? Like I skipped over Easy Mill, but I found Raining Sorrow. That's funny. Um, but hopefully she'll be coming out with some new stuff that I can react to, that we can all listen to. So yeah, please like this video if you enjoyed that, and you want to hear more. Check out my other videos somewhere around here. There's I've got stuff from all over, all kinds of genres, and please subscribe to my channel. Check out the Discord link down below, and leave me some links, leave me some requests and suggestions. Till next time, rock on.